Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tracker YouTube channel. Good morning children. Our today's topic is addition. In our previous class itself, we just recalled 3-digit addition. Do you remember that? So today we are going to do addition with 4-digit numbers. So already you have learned two methods, isn't it? So the first method is adding by expanding, then the second method is column method. Today also we are going to do these two methods. Did you know the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself? Okay, when we add any number with 0, we get the same number, isn't it? The sum of two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, when we add 6 plus 4, we get 10, isn't it? And also, if we add 4 plus 6, that also 10. So, when we add two numbers, order doesn't matter, okay? Order, if we change the order also, the answer will be same. Now, the first method is adding by expanding. So numbers can be expanded and then added. So the first step is you have to write the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay. First the ones are added and the tens, then hundreds, and finally the thousands. The sums are then added together. Okay. This one already you learnt. Okay. Now we will do one example. Add by expanding numbers. 7,676 plus 1,234. Okay, so these numbers are called as addend. A-D-D-E-N-D. Okay, addend. Addend is nothing but a number which is added to another number. A number which is added to another number is called as addend. A-D-D-E-N-D. Okay, now tell me, what is the first step to add these numbers by expanding numbers? What is the first step? Yes, the first step is we have to write the expanded form of the given numbers. So 7,676. The expanded form of 7,676 is 7,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 6. Then the expanded form of 1,234 is 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. Then what is the next step? Yes, we have to draw one tabular column. Okay, now what is the next step? Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So after finishing this tabular column, we have to write the given numbers according to their place values. Okay, so we have to write the expanded form of the given numbers according to their place values. So in first number is 7,676. Okay, so first we have to write the 7,000 in 1000 column, then 600 in hundreds column, then 70 in tens column, then 6 in ones column. The same way, 1000 in thousands column, 200 in hundreds column, 30 in tens column, 4 in ones column. Then addition symbol. Then what is the next step? So we have to start adding from ones column. Yes. So first you have to add 6 plus 4. Okay, keep 6 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we got the answer as 10. But this is ones column, no? Here we got as 2-digit number that contains tens, isn't it? So we have to carry over this 10 to the next column. So here the place value of here the zero's place value is ones. So we have to write 0 here, then you have to carry over 10 to the next column. Okay. Now we have to add these three numbers. So 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 7? 8. Yes. Then 8 plus 3. Keep 8 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we got us 110. 11. Then we have to add 1 0. Okay. Because all the three numbers have 1 0. So we have to add 1 0 in the answers also. Okay. Now this is tens column, but here we got us 110. Here we got us 100 also. No? So we have to carry over this 100 to the next hundreds column. So here write 10 here, then carry over 100 to the next column. Now we have to add these three numbers. What is 6 plus 1? 7. What is 7 plus 2? Keep 7 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. 8, 9. So 9, then 2 0, 900. Then we have to add thousands column. So what is 7 plus 1? 8. So 8000. So 8000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 0. That is 8910. This is the answer. So 7676 plus 1234 is equal to 8910. Okay, now column method. So the column method is a shorter way to add numbers. Okay, this is a shorter way. So in the column method, the numbers are not expanded. The digits are lined up in the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones column. Okay, here we no need to expand the given numbers. Okay, now we'll do one example. Add using column method the same number which we have done in expanding form method. Okay, 7676 plus 1234. So here we no need to write expanded form. So directly we write in the table. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So we can write in the short form also, like O, T, H, TH. So here O represents ones, T tens, H hundreds, TH thousands. Okay. Now we have to write the given number in the table according to their place values. So here 7000, isn't it? 7000. So we have to write 7 in the thousands column. Then the 6 in hundreds column, 7 in tens column, again 6 in ones column. Then look at the second number. So 1234. So 1 in thousands column, 2 in hundreds column, then 3 in tens column, then 4 in ones column. Then add symbol. Okay, plus symbol. Okay. Now we have to start from we have to add from ones column. Okay, we have to start from ones column. So 6 plus 4. So keep 6 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we got 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? So if we get any 2-digit number, you have to carry over that tens place value to the next column. So here you have to write 0 here, 1 to the next column. So what is 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1 is 8. Then what is 8 plus 3? Keep 8 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. So after 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. So write 1 here, carry over 1 to the next column. Now 6 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? 7. What is 7 plus 2? That is 9. Now we have to add thousands column. What is 7 plus 1? 8. So the answer is 8910. So 7676 plus 1234 is equal to 8910. Okay. A third sum. Balaji and Ramji bought two mobiles. The cost of mobiles are rupees 2495 and rupees 1628 respectively. Find the total cost of mobiles. So here Balaji and Ramji, they both bought two mobiles. Okay. The cost of mobiles are also given. Now we have to find out the total cost of mobiles. Okay. The word total is a keyword here. Okay. Whenever you see that word total, that means you have to add. You have to add these two numbers. So you have to add these two numbers given. Okay. So solution. Solution is nothing but another word of answer. Nothing but answer is also called as solution. So cost of Balaji's mobile. What is the cost of Balaji's mobile here? Rupees 2495. Rupees 2495. Then cost of Ramji's mobile. What is the cost of Ramji's mobile here? 1628. Now what we have to find out? Total cost of two mobiles. So here we have to add plus. So to find out total cost of two mobiles, we have to add. Okay. We can add without mentioning place values like ones, tens, 100, 1000. We can add without mentioning place values, even without table. But we should add carefully. We should start from one's place value, isn't it? Even though we didn't mention that place value, we should start from one's place value. Here we have to start from here 5 plus 8. The first step, we have to add 5 plus 8. Okay, what is 5 plus 8? Whenever you add two numbers, you can keep that larger number in your mind, smaller number in your hand. Okay, so keep 8 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we got 13. Write 3 here, carry over 1 to the next column. Okay, what is 1 plus 9? That is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, these simple numbers you can add without using your hands. So 12. 2 here, carry over 1 to the next column. So what is 6 plus 4? That is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then 10 plus 1, 11. So write 1 here, then carry over 1 to the next column. Okay, what is 1 plus 2? 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 4123 rupees. So total cost of two mobiles is equal to rupees 4123. This is the answer. This is the solution also. Next sum. In a mango grove, 1243 Malgova, 2132 Sendura and 2644 Neelam mangoes were plucked from mango trees. Find the total number of mangoes plucked. Okay. The word mango grove. Mango grove is nothing but a small group of trees. A small group of mango trees. So grove, the word grove is nothing but a small group of trees. Here they mentioned as mango grove, isn't it? So mango grove is nothing but a small group of mango trees. Okay. So Malgova, Sendura, Neelam are varieties of mango. Okay. These are our variety. So here in a mango grove, 1243 Malgova. Okay, Malgova is one variety of mango. So 2132 Sendura. Sendura also one variety of mango. And 2644 Neelam. These also one variety. Okay. So here three varieties are there were plucked from mango trees. So they plucked okay these amount of mango, okay, from mango trees. So they asked us to find out total number of mangoes plucked. So now we have to find out total number of mangoes plucked. Already I told you. So total is a keyword here. So now we have to add these three given numbers. So solution. So number of Malgova mangoes. How many mangoes are Malgova mangoes are plucked? 1243. Yes. Then number of Sendura mangoes. That is 2132. Then number of Neelam mangoes plucked is 2644. Now we have to find out total number of mangoes plucked. So we have to add these three numbers. We can add as it is. Now 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. Then 5 plus 4. Keep 5 in your mind. 4 in your fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Then next column. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 5, 6, 7. Then 7 plus 4. Keep 7 in your mind. 4 in your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. So write 1 here. Then carry over 1 to the next column. So 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 1? 4. Then 4 plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So write 0 here. Then carry over 1 to the next column. So what is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 2? 4. 4 plus 2? 6. So the total number of mangoes plucked are 6119. So I gave these 4 sums as homework. Do it and send to me. Thank you, children.